Alright guys, welcome back to PED 110. We're starting week 5 now, which means we're over the halfway point, so it's smooth sailing from here. Guys, I got to give you all credit. Y'all have been probably the most responsible and proactive group that I've had, especially in the summer session. It's easy to kind of lose focus with summer sessions, but you guys are on it. So overall, I'd say this is one of the best groups I've had. Keep it up. We've got just a few weeks left, and we'll be done with this course. So quick recap. We started going through the areas of health-related fitness. We just finished up with muscular strength and endurance and improving flexibility. The last one kind of puts all of these together and gets into body composition. That's simply, basically in layman's terms, what your body's made of, but we focus primarily on fatty tissue or adipose tissue versus lean tissue or muscle. And so that's what body composition is getting into. If you take all of these things that we've learned so far and put into here, in particular with physical activity and diet, the combination of both, that's going to impact your body composition. And then, of course, that body composition is going to impact your overall quality of health, because so many of our health-related concerns today come from the fact that we have too much adipose tissue or too much fat on our bodies. And so this addresses that. And then Chapter 7 gets into putting everything together to create your total fitness and wellness plan. So this is the one right here where you take this knowledge and everything you've learned from here and you can really apply it to the rest of your life. So this is the meat of everything. This is why we're really doing this. Again, it would save you a ton of money because you don't have to go out and get a personal trainer anymore. Sometimes we need an accountability partner to help us motivated, but in terms of you knowing what you need to do to create your own fitness and wellness plan, you have all the tools right here. So this week's pretty much business as usual. We've got our two chapters. Excuse me. Our checklist for Chapter 6, this video, your PowerPoint, and your quiz. And then here in Chapter 7, the same deal. The checklist, the PowerPoint, the quiz. We do have a lab for Chapter 7. And then also you're back to your physical activity monitoring report. Several of you asked about that last week. And remember, you didn't have to submit one because we had so many labs and they were fitness-based or physically active-based labs. As I said, guys, keep up the great work. Please be checking your green bars to make sure they are completely filled in. You don't want to see white in them. And as always, I'm here for you if you have any questions. Have a great week.